What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're looking at Luckin Coffee, or should I say Rocket Coffee, because this thing took off to the moon. It's come down some, it's on a dip. When will it take off again? Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the 1-year chart in the Thinkorswim platform. And the last video I did on Luckin Coffee was right about here in October of last year. And I called out when it bounced off this $18 support line, which at the time was the only line I had on the chart because here's the IPO right here, and here we were right here. So I called out that I believed it was headed up. And sure enough, it went to a high of $21.86 from that $18 support. Got rejected there, came back down to the support line, and that's when the rocket took off. It went all the way up to $51.38. And that was just on the 17th of January. So we're gonna see exactly what the percents were, but from right here to right there, 69 days, 180%, $33 gain in just over 2 months. What a run. That's all I can say about that. And if you're in this stock from that $18 range, I applaud you because you made quite a bit of money depending on the size of your position. But now let's look at where this stock may be headed. As you can see, it hit the 51.38, and over the past few days, it's down about 20%. And if you look at the trek when it was going up, it hit some resistance at about $40. So sure enough, it's stopped right there, right at the $40 line right now. It did break through, went down to about 39.69, somewhere around that range, but it closed above that support level. So the only warning I have for people invested in Luckin right now is the coronavirus. It seems to be dragging down all the Chinese stocks, and the last I heard is it's getting worse. They've got images of like 20 cranes trying to build a hospital in like 10 days because they don't have enough room in their other hospitals for all the sick people. So this stock could be dragged down even more. And the next place I see it stopping is probably around the 33.50 range, somewhere around here. This was a previous resistance that it got rejected and came back and broke through. I really thought that this stock was going to hang out in this range from like the 27 to 33 for a while, but it didn't. It didn't hang out there as long as I thought it was going to before it took off again, got rejected at the $40 line, and then stormed right through that $40 resistance to another $10 high of 51. So it made some drastic moves. So it's due to take a breather. So I would think right here would have been logical for it to kind of start consolidating. But with all the drama in China with the coronavirus, it could come down further. So as far as right now, watch the stock. Especially if you're invested, watch it. The next level I see is 33.50, 33. That's the next level, 33, right around 33. So that's going to conclude this video on Luckin Coffee. If you like the content, subscribe, Please hit that like button. It helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. And smash that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.